Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to eliminate your car's blind spots with a simple, easy driving trick. Let's get right into the video. I'm going to turn the camera around. I'm going to show you what to do with your mirrors. What is involved with this easy driving trick to eliminate your blind spots. So as I turn the camera around, you're going to see this is my point of view as the driver of this car. So if you look, there's a car beside me right over here, but it's actually in my blind spot because, and it's hard to see this because the camera is further out than my head, but let's just move the mirror to represent if my head was this far out. Basically, usually in your mirror, you're gonna see a little bit of your car and then a lot of the road. So your mirror is gonna be about like this. So right now I can't see that car at all, right? In my mirror and in either of my mirrors. But it's right here, so it's in my blind spot. I have to physically turn my head to see the car. Now, your car, it's always gonna be there. You don't really need to see your car. It's kind of pointless to see your car, right? It's used to give you like a landmark to work with for your visual indication, but you don't need to see the side of your car. So what I want you to do is to turn your mirror outwards, okay? Just like that, until you can't see your car anymore. So check this out, my car, right there. There's the handle of my car. I'm turning my mirror outwards, and now I can see this car over here. Okay, so watch this. I can see that car right there in my side mirror. Now I'm going to drive forward, okay? I'm going to drive forward until I can't see that car anymore. So as I'm driving forward, I'm driving until I can no longer see that car in my mirror at all. Keep driving, keep driving. There's a car right here. I don't want to hit that car. Keep driving. I can still see that car. But if I continue driving forward, you would see that when it disappears in this mirror, it would reappear in this mirror. Now, it's hard to see because I have my car seat right there for my son back there, but it reappears in this mirror. So if I were to continue driving forward, which, you know what, we'll do it. Let's go into this parking spot right over here. We're going to continue driving forward. If I were to continue driving forward, when it disappears from that mirror, from that side mirror, check this out. So I can still see it, right? When it disappears from that mirror, I can still see it in that mirror. I can still see that car in this mirror. Look at how much I can see in that mirror. So I can always see that car in my side mirror or my rear view mirror. Watch as I reverse. Okay, as I reverse, I can always see that car in my side mirror or my rear view mirror. There it is in the rear view mirror. There it is in the side mirror. As I reverse, you'll see that I can always see the car. That means that I have no blind spots. Check this out. Okay, so I can always see that car. It is never in my blind spot. The moment that the car disappears from my side mirror, it's already beside me. So check this out, right? Check this out. I can still see the car in my side mirror, and the car's right beside me. Look, I can still see the car, and it's right beside me. So that is the easiest way to eliminate the blind spots in your car. You want to take your mirrors, you want to swing them outwards. And this way, where your blind spots originally were, you can now see them through your mirror. The one downside is that when you're reverse parking, you don't have your guideline. But what you want to do is when you're reverse parking, take your mirror, swing it inwards. Now you can reverse park. When you're done reverse parking, swing it outwards. Listen, in most modern cars, you have this electronic module. It takes like a second to do it. It's literally that simple. And that is it. That is how to eliminate your car's blind spots with an easy driving trick. It's so easy, and your blind spots will no longer exist. And use that test that I showed you. Check your mirrors and see when that car disappears from your mirrors. And you'll notice that when it disappears from your side mirror, you can see it in your rear view mirror. When it disappears in your rear view mirror, you can see it in your side mirror, depending on if you're moving forward or backward. That's it. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.